What's up, people? Welcome to GingerGarlic Affair once again. What's cooking for your lunch? Well, it's Sunday, and for in my GingerGarlic Affair kitchen, I have chicken keema. I'm gonna give it a twist of spinach and spinach, actually, with a lot of ginger and garlic, of course. Yes. So let's see how it goes. It's supposed to be very healthy and extremely delicious. I want to make it a bit juicy, not the one I have tried actually with just chopped spinach, but this time I'm gonna try with a puree of spinach, which will make it a little juicy. Let's try it out. Hi, so this is ready, and should let us see how did it turn out. Mm. Let me check first.
Yeah.
Mm. It has got a nice blend of spinach and chicken keema. Very juicy, the way I wanted it as I said before. So it's not hot, so you can. Tell me how's it?
So good. I'll eat everything now. So you can subscribe if you want my tita to cook more food. And yeah.
Yeah, right. So as my daughter has approved it, it looks to be delicious. I'll wait for my wife's approval also. You can have this with bao, or you can have this with roti. It'll go well both the bread. So
You can have it anything.
yeah, you can have it with anything, literally. So yeah, see you around next time.
Bye.